Today I am going to share with you how to whiten the teeth in 1 minute. Create the hue saturation adjustment layer. Select the yellows from the drop down. Just decrease the saturation and increase the lightness. It's pretty much done. Here's the before, here's the after. This affects the whole skin. To correct it, hit Ctrl-I. Select the brush, select the white as the foreground color. Paint over the teeth. If you want to super adjust this, double click on the thumbnail to open hue saturation properties. Select the yellows. Play with the range here. If the gums are also affected, narrow the range. That's how we whiten the teeth in Photoshop. Hope this video helps you. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you guys in my next video. Until then, keep designing.